Okay, what's going on, guys? One of the most frequent questions I get is what supplements I take. So I take a post-workout shake, which I'll do in another video, but during my workout, I don't take any pre-workout. During, I have 1 scoop of creatine by Optimum Nutrition. And 1 scoop of Amino X BCAAs. And what I find is that during my workout, because I'm training a lot now, it helps me recover between workouts, but also keeps my muscles full of oxygen, water, blood during my workout, so I get my pump is stronger, it lasts longer, and the creatine helps me get more reps per set. So a weight I can normally get 5 reps at, I can probably get 7, 8, 9, 10 reps at. So I mix it all together and goes pink. Just sip on that through the workout. Bob's your uncle, catch you later. Bang, bang.